Hey guys, what's up? So today, got the lawnmower, and so I'll give you a quick recap on what's going on. So I was mowing my lawn, right? And the belt come off, I think, but it's not like the regular belt. I don't know, like, what happened. I don't freaking know, but we're gonna dive in and check it out. So yeah, gotta get the extension cord because my iPod's about to die. And yeah. Okay guys, so this is the mower. I took the cover thing off, but I need to put it on so then I can put it in gear. So I'm just gonna do this. Alright guys, well apparently it's working again, so that's weird. So I'm just gonna throw on the not GoPro, my helmet, put the camera on there. My iPod's about to die though, so it's not gonna record very long. But yeah, I'm just gonna make sure it's working and mow the lawn. That's it. Oh, frick, a bee! A bee! Oh, frick! Oh, frick! Oh, frick! Oh, shoot! Oh, before I do that, I want to show you guys something. I put on foot pegs on both sides on the back. So yeah, I'll show you guys that later. Alright guys, so here's the mower. I already mowed down there off camera, like before the belt was slipping. Then I came up here to do it, and then it just didn't work. But she's working now, so let's mow the lawn. Alright. So, that's mowing the lawn with Kai Kid. Alright guys, so just got done mowing the lawn with that lawn mower right there. She did a good job. So yeah, nice. Thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe. I know this was like a boring video, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, like and subscribe and turn on the bell notification thing so guys know when I upload new videos. I promise they won't be as boring as this one was. But yeah, if you're still here, you might as well do that. But yeah, without further ado, I gotta go, and peace.